Oh. My God. Yasso Nuh. Yasso Nuh. Could I never real. Welcome to a new season of Yasso Nuh. My name is DJ Bobajoe and I'm your damn host. Literally, you don't know we are on the Worldwide TV network, so me can't cause no bad word. You see me? I say, I'm more I would want clot, some clot. But you don't know this show is all about jokes and all about fun and all about laughter. And if you join me for the first time, make sure you run over my TikTok page and go follow me at Real DJ Bobajoe. Run over my Instagram and follow me at DJ Bobajoe, or follow me on DJ Bobajoe_reels on TikTok. Also visit my website, check out my merch them, no man. No, this is a plain green shirt, and not because me have a green shirt that no means I'm a labor right. Me bonfire for politics, you get to me I say? Yes, but me have a little thing, you know, but I wonder if Andrew Holness could help me. You see, a green shirt me then, man. Andrew Holness, I want you dial me, you see me I say? I want some little help boy place because me soon a job. Me soon a job. You see last year, they don't get no road work. No road work me not get, and me feel away. So me wonder if you could give me a little farm card, because right now I want to go to Canada. You see me I say? I want to go to Canada, go easy back and find one nice whitey. You see me I say, Andrew? But literally right now, through my top bleach and my top tone, everybody has said me get ugly. Everybody has said me get ugly. And me don't even understand what they mean by me get ugly, but them say me get ugly, me get black and me get ugly. You get to me and say, see that? You be lying me not do, brother. I'm feel that way, dog. If you join me on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to Flex with Show. You understand? Yeah. And if you join me on Worldwide TV network, welcome to the first and very first season and episode of Yasso Nuh. So talking about ugly, I want to know where most people use bleach, because from me I bleach from them time there until now me not reach. You get what I say? And if you say that's some bandul cream the man sell. You see what I say? If you say some bandul cream, none of the cream them now work. But me I go through TikTok and me walk up on a video. You get what I say? And me have to say, but don't cost no bad word, you're there for TV, my youth. You tell me I say, a youth here. Me see for money, me I see him too much for my social media. And me I say, I wonder if me I turn idiot. Get me I say, wonder if I idiot me I turn. Me I say I'm a youth here, pop up. And everybody I say, yo, dog a bleach and the dog a reach, and told me see that, me say, but me want now bleach and reach. But me I look good, you know. Me see spot right here, so. Yeah, so bleach. There, so. Okay. Yo, are you out here? Inside him glowing. But right now, Bobajoe is growing. Now bleach. But we have to take bad things turn joke down. And Yasso Nuh. Yo, me don't know if I youth here, but dog, bleaching dog, you better you low it. Yo, mother, me don't know where he use bleach, but father, You see anybody where you go get them bleaching cream there from, run go over there and tell them you want a refund for your skin. Because I'm not bleaching this father. You know, like when acid burn up somebody and the acid not burn them up good. I saw the father, look. You see me? Right now, G is suffering from a skin disease called detaching the darkness from the body. You get what I'm saying? The dog is suffering from a skin disease called detaching the darkness from the body, toxinating the intestines of the internal organs. But I know that alone. Let me scroll through.
So guys, you find what they're showing me there. You know what I say? You find what they're showing me there. So you can hear me, people. You can hear me.
Don't do that. Why are you doing that?
Hold on. I'm gonna make a phone call quick and fast and forward because, bro, one night time I used to own up a cat, you know. I used to own up a cat, you know, and I tell them I lucky cat, you know, and I couldn't make it look so bad, you know. So I keep on tell everybody say, a cat is a femi cat, you know. That's what I say. And I tell everybody say, a cat is a femi cat. So watch what going. Watch what going. So me I got one nice look up. You know one of them brunch there, and the cat got they are the brunch. The cat checking out the brunch with their money in the father. You get what I say? And me, you know, as a little lunatic, I say, my catty, yeah, the catty come from my neighbor food. My neighbor food. You see me I say? So I say, my catty that, you know what I say? Catty gone at brunch with her money in the father. And you know, I did that with my killer them, and I say, yo, I'm a cat. And my killer them, I say, dog, no, you catch that. I say, yeah, man, I'm a girl, that man, I'm brother, in turn up with. You see me, I say, that's all what me I say from beginning. You see me, I say, dog, I say, our brother, I went in Panama, so you know, go chat to your catty man and tell her, so you have to come over here, so come go and bust a rock and TikTok and wine part talk. You see me, I say? I say, now watch no style, man, me gone over there. I'm going over and say, baby, I'm missing you. Catty could have asked me out of the bag. Catty give me a box. Catty give me a thump. Catty said, don't do that. You see, like how Queenie got along right or so. Let me call Queenie and ask Queenie what she going with. Because Queenie style the man, they make it this way. Queenie say, don't do that. Bro, that's one of the worst things you could have do. You see me? You see me? Yo, and you know again, I don't know what we do there now, dog. But Queenie style the dog. Yo, the dog. That's from last year, you know. We are talking about last year, you know. The dog ugly now, mug, you know, brother. And the dog can't go say, people, let me show you my home, man. We're going for a commercial break. We'll be right back. Remember to get my merch is at djbobajoe.com. Yes, you don't know my merch, I'm over there. And if you're a DJ or you're a music lover and you need music and you need remixes, please visit djbobajoe.com because we start the latest and the latest. Please note that this show was also sponsored by Bliss Designs. They are the one who edited this video, and also brought to you by World Vibes TV network and also Flex with Joe. And I'm talking about being a gallus. You have your style, you have your pattern. Yeah. So most people out there say I'm a gallus and they don't have no style and no pattern. Me I go through social media and I say, yo, me have to talk to my cat like this. Me have to sing in her ears like bees. You get me? I say, me have to get 3 little birds upon my window You get what I say? So, me have to big up I win because this is our next level of Yasso Nuh.
But tell the same man about that, nobody can tell me nothing.
I'm gonna see how tight she watch you now. That's all, I'm telling you. You see how she hold watching. Girl, to how tight you hold me. I know that I'm your one and only.
Shut to that man.
You say you glad you love me. Give me your love as if you own me. I love you when they always show you that. Keep striving, let no one hold you back. I love the precious soul you got. Remember I told you that much more than gold you got. Quality. She not straight from reality. She never try to persuade me to sin you she clean. Plus she full of discipline. I have to ask how she suffer. As she the push have to govern. Give thanks for what you learn and earn. Make glad you don't have no worm or no germ.
So join me next week once again right here for another episode of Yasso Nuh. I don't know. This is DJ Bobajoe. Thanks for watching. Big up yourself. Listen me. Keep safe. You don't know we in the new year, and you don't know this is a new show and this is the first episode, and we want to keep the show flowing. So find me on any social media. If you want to send me a video or anything, you just know, link me up. You see me? Boom, boom, boom.